Alright, little update on the 61. Doing the suspension. It's been a while, but finally getting to it. Went ahead and painted the frame and the wheel well, but I'm not done with it yet. It's just really a first coat on the wheel well. Frame is painted, basically done. I use this satin chassis. I sprayed some undercoating that was glossy and I didn't like it, and I was told glossy frame will look ugly and chip and all that, but anyway, I'm gonna do a little bit more cleanup on that frame because I don't like the way that looks. That's kind of oil or something, grease. Then I'll spray it again, but at the floor pan sprayed, just working a section at a time. But it came out pretty good. I'm going back on. I'm going to put the suspension back on. It'll look real good with the brand new suspension I've got. I'll show you what the other side looks like and what it looked like. That's what it looked like. That's what it looked like. So just a little bit of elbow grease, getting it cleaned real good. I still need to clean that frame a little bit more on that side because I can see where I missed some stuff, but I'll go through and clean it up and respray it. And that's the good thing about that satin black, is that you're not going to see where you spotted it again. If you have to spray a little bit in an area, it'll dry that satin look, not glossy. But anyway, that's what the passenger side looked like. Just like that. You can see where I started over there. And again, just comparing it. Look what a difference that is. And I'm not done with the wheel well. I've got to spray some more. But look at that. It's going to look real good. Look at the difference in that. Got some rust holes up there, but pretty solid frame and body.